when it comes to discrimination, dehumanization of Tutsis, Banyamulenge, and Bahema in Congo, it's not a national issue only. The US government has to be involved. Fellow Americans have to be involved. Mwakoze cyane mwese kuza. Ndashaka ngo mvuge mu Cyongereza. Kuko twese turacyumva hano, ndashaka ko nabandi batari hano bumva. Today we came here to stand with our brothers and sisters in Minembwe who are under constant government bombing as we are speaking today. We came to stand with our brothers and sisters in Uvira for the last month. They cannot go out and about find something to eat because the city has been handed in the hands of Wazalendo criminals who are running the city as we speak. We stand with all the brothers and sisters in North Kivu, our Tutsis brothers, for several years have been forced to leave their homes and go to live in refugee camps in Rwanda and other countries in the region. We came to tell them that we stand with them. Turi kumwe nabo. Nubwo tutari mu nkambi hamwe nabo, nubwo tutari Uvira, nubwo tutari mu Minembwe, ariko twaje kubereka ko we are together in the suffering they are going through. Icyo ni icyambere. And I thank you all for coming for that. Let's stand together with them and fight for justice. Second point, we came to tell the world, to tell the United States government that when it comes to discrimination, dehumanization of Tutsis, Banyamulenge, and Bahema in Congo, it's not a national issue only. The US government has to be involved. Fellow Americans have to be involved. It's a humanity issue. In 21st century, no one should be dehumanized, cannibalized, persecuted just because of how they look. This is what has been going on in the DRC. Abitwa Abatutsi, those who are called Tutsis, those who look like them, for the last couple of years have been killed, persecuted, jailed by the government in Kinshasa just because of how they look and how they are called and how they are identified. There is no place for hate that's streaming every day in medias in Kinshasa. There is no place for dehumanization. There is no place for discrimination. All Congolese have the same rights and have to be respected and protected by legal and security institutions in the DRC. That's the message we came with today. That's the message we are telling the United States. That's the message we are telling the world. And that's the message we want the Congolese government to hear. There won't be peace in DRC when there is no justice. There won't be peace without accountability for the genocide going on and crimes against humanity. Let's stand together, let's raise our voice, and let's fight until justice is served. Thank you very much.